A bit more,
More to
maybe.
the left! The left!
Wait.
Hurry it up!
Fix those lights!
Excuse me, sir. Your tie?
Quickly now, quickly! That's it. That's the smell. This place reeks of Mako.
Looks like we made it.
Layout's the same as Reactor 1.
Yeah. We're near Mako storage.
Let's move. I'm not seeing a way down.
Here, maybe?
Well now, that could work. I'm next.
Kinda scary, huh?
It's all in the mind.
Hey, check it out. They sick this big boy on us, we'd be screwed 6 ways from Sunday.
Mechanized units like these were designed to take out giant monsters. Probably a new prototype. If they do decide to deploy it, then our best bet would be to run like hell.
Oof. Then let's hope he sleeps through the explosion.
Where is everybody?
You mean Shinra? Got spooked and cleared out is my guess.
It's over!
Let's go.
Almost there. The smell. It takes me back.
Cocky little bastards, ain't you?
Coming through!
And there you have it. Well, what we got here? I can deal with those things.
Deal with that.
All set! It's on you!
About damn time. Coming at you hard and fast.
do it.
All right, watch and learn. Shit hurts, don't it? Time to fry. Bring it home.
My turn. Let's finish this.
Stop on this.
Deal with that.
Need my help, do you?
Let's go. Keep it up.
Enough.
You ain't gonna get away. That's all. How'd you like that? Ain't got nothing on me. A little more chaotic, ain't that right?
Yeah.
Soldiers. Mako. Shinra. I'm sick of this. I'm sick of all of this!
Soldier boy.
Tifa.
What?
How much time we need?
Got all the time in the world. This one comes with a remote detonator.
Courtesy of Jesse.
We withdraw to a safe distance. Then, kaboom!
Safe distance?
What? No such thing? We get out the same way we got in. Let's double back.
Huh?
What the? Where you going?
Weirdly perfect timing.
Wait a minute. Is someone watching us?
Greetings, my dear sewer rats. As architect of our populace engagement campaign, I, Heidegger, head of public security, bid you welcome.
The chief warmonger.
You should be flattered. Right now, you command the undivided attention of every soul in Midgard.
Huh? What is this?
Breaking news from Mako Reactor 5. Shinra has confirmed the reactor to be the target of the bomb threat issued by the terrorist group Avalanche. Members of the group were observed entering the facility, and security is currently sweeping it for explosive devices. now go live to the scene.
I'm here in the Sector 5 Undercity. Having confirmed the terrorist target, the Shinra Emergency Operations Center has issued an evacuation advisory. Residents are outraged that the tragedy of Mako Reactor 1 was only the first attack in a campaign of violence.
President Shinra has issued a statement providing assurances that the terrorists will soon be brought to justice.
And so, to a people beset by chaos and uncertainty, we will offer the finest comfort, bread and service.
The big boy.
I give you Shinra's latest triumph of technology. The Airbuster, your executioner.
Engineering on the line. Currently, the Airbuster is only 60% operational. The estimates were optimistic.
I'm on air! To the imbecile in charge down there, you are hereby ordered to seize those intruders and bring them to me. I'm quietly announcing trouble! I repeat, you want to bring me a hand without further delay. I swear, I'll throw you off the plane myself.
All good.
Don't get excited.
Shut the hell up!
Right now!
I don't believe it. We played right into Shinra's hands.
Attention, all
And
security
that bullshit news is already peddling their false narrative.
Subdue the insurgents and bring them to the command center
So we're
immediately.
screwed.
I repeat,
No, hell no!
subdue the insurgents
Listen,
and bring them to the command
They
center
want to turn
right
this into
now.
a spectacle? Then I say let's give them one. Let's take down Shinra's big-ass mech in front of everybody.
Attention, all security
Okay.
forces.
I'm sold.
Subdue the insurgents and bring them to the... Subdue the insurgents and bring them to the command center immediately. I repeat. Subdue the insurgents and bring them to the command center right now. Attention, all security forces. Subdue the insurgents and bring them to the command center immediately. I repeat.
You heard the man! Get these components prepped for the Airbuster
right
ASAP!
now.
It's ready, sir.
Component outbound for B8!
Copy, B8.
Intruder!
Take him out!
See ya.
All clear. Now let's see what these bastards were up to.
Derek, Cloud, over here.
It looks like a few of its components are still in transit.
We'll see about that.
Could tamper a little with its loadout.
And give ourselves an edge?
There should be a console somewhere.
This the console you talking about? Think you can get it to work?
Needs a key card.
Well, let's find it then.
You find it?
Yeah.
Good job. Now let's check out that console.
M units, huh? I'm guessing that's some sort of component?
Yep. An enhancement powered by liquefied materia.
Sounds bad.
Pretty sure I can divert this unit for disposal.
M unit flagged for disposal.
Just imagining their faces when they find out.
So far, so good.
Right. Let's move.
You think they're watching us? Even now?
Yep. Probably got a live feed.
Nothing we can do about it. Except smile for the folks at home.
Let's do this!
That's that. Don't overdo it.
Yeah, I'll do it. Coming at you hard and fast. And don't come back.
Component outbound for B7.
Copy. We've lost contact with B8. Send some men to check it out. We've got a schedule to keep.
Intruders! Seize them!
Engineering, this is B7!
Get ready.
Negative B7. Airbuster service priority. You're on roll!
Copy! And we'll deal with you ourselves!
Looks like there's 2 consoles this time.
Double the sabotage.
If we can find the key cards.
Any cards?
Just the one.
2 choices. And only 1 single-use card. It's up to you, Cloud. What does an AI programming core do?
Increases processing power dedicated to motor function computation. Makes it move real quick.
A real quick giant robot, huh? That doesn't sound good. Anyway, we should weigh our options carefully.
Console talks about big bomber shells. You acquainted?
We call them BBs. One's enough to blow you to hell and back.
Could divert them and give it a couple less shots to take us out. Make the call.
Big bomber shell flagged for disposal.
Serves you all right.
So where did we send the discarded stuff?
To a storeroom for defective equipment, I'm guessing.
That's so. You think these defective shells and programming cores might be valuable enough to warrant a little detour?
Maybe.
I say we grab them.
If we get that far.
Listen up, y'all. Everything Shinra has told you is a goddamn lie. Mako is the lifeblood of our planet. Those greedy bastards are bleeding it dry. Y'all gotta rise up.
Barrett, who are you talking to?
The people put me on TV. I'm gonna drop some truth.
Thousand Gil says they cut the sound.
Surprise, grounders!
It's on you.
Guess it's my turn. Bye-bye. This is gonna sting! You're up!
I got this! Finish him off! Bring it!
Ain't got nothing on me!
Don't overdo it.
Need my help, do you? I'm counting on you.
Too late!
Piece of cake.
Find any car?
Only one. And this time we've got 3 choices.
Take your pick. AI programming core. What are you thinking, Cloud? Should we get rid of it?
Feel like scrapping some BBs? Hurry up and decide what you want to get rid of. It's past time we taught Shinra a lesson. Hell is this?
M-Unit. Another type of enhancement.
Your call if you want to nix it.
AI programming cores help it move faster, right? Divert it or not.
From what you said, even one big bomber shell is too many. But I'll let you be the judge of that.
Big bomber shell flagged for disposal.
Heidegger's got no idea who he's messing with. I tell you what, I ain't never looked forward to an execution more in my entire life.
You don't say.
We're about to make fools out of Shinra while the whole damn city's watching. Time times like these, you gotta savor.
Oh no, if you're about to ask me to dance, then don't.
Come on, don't be shy. How about you, Cloud?
I don't dance.
B5, this is engineering. You need to pick up the pace. We're running dangerously low on components because of those terrorists.
Copy! They're here!
Stop them!
No holding back. Let's do this. You're mine. Brace yourself.
Bunch of pushovers. Come on, y'all. Let's see what...
4 consoles. And never enough keycards.
An AI programming core. Should we discard this or something else?
Big bomber shells. We should divert them if you think it'll improve our odds.
Big bomber shell flagged for disposal.
Serves you all right. That's an M unit, right?
Yep.
This is our chance to really stick it to Shinra. We should think it through before we make a decision.
M unit flagged for disposal.
Just imagining their faces when they find out.
Think we've done enough to weaken the robot?
All that we can, at least.
It's all good. The stage is set. All that's left is to hijack Heidegger's show. We're coming up on the exit. Tifa, detonator still in range?
We should be good.
The moment Big Boy goes down, you hit that switch.
Right.
Concentrate. No holding back. Get ready. Let's finish this. Going in.
That's the way to do it.
Can't say we didn't prepare. Now we just gotta get it done.
Status report! We're short on BBs, but tracking down replacements. Work faster, or you'll hear it from the brass!
Look! They're still prepping it!
They're here! Hold them back! Buy us every second you can!
What is the status of the Airbuster? Report! Deploy it at once!
Ready when you are. Shit! We too late!
That's far enough, you bastards! I'm taking you down!
Back in it.
Too easy.
No escape.
You got fried!
Give it your best shot.
All good.
Get your ass out of here! Y'all never had a chance.
Hey guys. Looks like a performance assessment, don't you think?
We'll figure out its weaknesses as we fight it. As long as we stay focused, we'll be fine. We can do this.
For real though, we need to talk victory poses. Something coordinated for the live on camera finish. Could blow up big, start a new trend.
Veto.
Huh? No way up?
No way we're getting back up that pipe.
Keep looking. No holding back. Let's get this over. That's it. Take the lead.
About damn time! That's no die here? Whoa! Suck on this! Bring it home! Want some more?
Taken over. Sorry. Let's do this.
Give it your best shot.
Let's finish this. Real subtle invitation. nothing to it.
Big boy's going to an execution, all right. We're gonna put him out of his misery while the whole damn city watches.
We give it our all and we'll win.
We're gonna get through this. We're gonna make it home. All of us. No exceptions.
Right. We don't want to disappoint Marlene. That goes for you too, Cloud. Right?
You better give her a big old smile this time.
If the price is right.
What? Open it already.
It's locked down.
Is there any way we can get it open?
Yeah, from that room over there.
Why does everything have to be so damn complicated?
You know, the faulty equipment storeroom's that way too.
Do you think we'll find the components we diverted there?
It's like a treasure vault. Woo! I like the sound of that.
So how do we do this?
It's simple, really. We move the levers at the same time.
Got these ones.
I'll take left, which just leaves right, soldier boy.
Emergency lockdown is currently in effect.
So we need to synchronize our movements?
In that case, follow my lead.
Nah, Tifa's.
Fine, have it your way.
Okay, pay attention, you two. 3, 2, 1.
Emergency lockdown disengaged.
Hell yeah!
We really did it! Great timing. Right on the money.
Yeah.
What y'all got tucked away in that vault, huh? This would be the treasure vault?
That's right.
What's the catch?
Need to bypass a high-level security lock.
Different from the other one?
Same deal. But we gotta do it several times.
Ha! Not a problem.
Yeah, let's try.
Delta level security lockdown is currently in effect.
Okay, guys. You know what we have to do.
Copy me?
No, Tifa leads.
Oh, fine. After you, girl.
Gotta get past level 1 first, right? 3, 2, 1. Move yours the same way as mine. Focus. 3, 2, 1.
Alpha level security disengaged.
That was great, you guys. Let's keep it up. All right. 3, 2, 1. Don't rush it. We got this. 3, 2, 1.
Beta level security disengaged.
Wow! Think we've got this?
Hell yeah! Bring it on! Ain't nothing I love more than sticking it to Shinra.
Halfway there. Steady, guys. 3, 2, 1.
Mother!
Shake it off. 3, 2, 1.
Your timing is all wrong, man.
We got this. 3, 2, 1.
Gamma level security disengaged.
No way! You guys are naturals. Okay, final round. Don't lose focus. 3, 2, 1. Try to match my timing, okay? Shake it off. 3, 2, 1. Watch carefully. We got this. 3, 2, 1.
Delta level security disengaged. Disposal room now accessible.
Finally. I was beginning to think it'd never end.
Hey, yo, Cloud, what's the deal? You really a bona fide soldier?
We didn't train for this stuff.
All that marching with no rhythm? How did you soldier on?
Okay, that's enough of that. Let's see what's inside.
They say a job well done is on the reward. I say take everything that ain't nailed down. Time to go!
Huh? Huh? Look!
Oh, the eyes of one who has bathed Mako, which would make you a soldier.
Ex-soldier.
Once a soldier, always a soldier. Though not, alas, for very long. Accelerated cellular degradation being the most common cause of death by far. This is classified, of course, and every soldier knows the truth.
That's right.
Think you forgetting someone?
Would that I could. You strike me as the type to go on without air.
Ain't enough hours in the day to hold you to account for all your crimes.
And what a wasteful indulgence it would be, even if there were.
Okay then. Let's talk about
Wasteful indulgences. What is Mako? The life stream. The lifeblood of the planet. Our planet.
But Shinra keeps on slurping it up like a thirsty dog. What do you think's gonna happen if you don't stop, huh?
We do indeed keep on slurping it up, as you say. But for whose benefit, I wonder. The true nature of Mako is known to one and all, yet the people willfully turn a blind eye to the cost. As you must surely be aware.
Don't you dare try to put this on us! If anyone's going along with your plans, it's 'cause you brainwashed them!
Such methods are beneath me. As are you, my faithful sewerats. Henceforth allies of wicked Wutai, our sworn enemy. Thank you for stoking our people's patriotic fervor.
Wutai! The hell we are!
You still don't understand your role in this.
What are they doing?
Don't you see? You fools were never in control. Never anything but pawns in our plans to sell great and glorious war to the people. and your instruments of insurrection will detonate. When we so choose.
God damn it!
Now let us raise the curtain on our main event. The trial of the eco-extremist group Avalanche. Terrorists conspired with Bukai against Midgard. Your guilt is undeniable. Your punishment, death.
I'm sick of this. I'm sick of all of this!
It's just like it, but I failed you.
Cloud! Get your head in the game! We're counting on you, man.
Are you alright?
I'm fine. You guys good to go?
Without seeking for the cowards you are.
So long.
Cloud, what did it do to you?
Damn it! Big boy means business! This is gonna sting!
I got it! Let's turn it up.
Come on.
This is what I like to see. Things working better than it.
Watch yourself.
Taking over. Get ready.
Guess it's my turn! How about this? Come on!
There!
Go long! You're up!
Okay, let's go!
I'm waiting.
This is
Hang back.
the outrageous fear of the Big Mama is power.
No holding back. Have this.
Commencing phase 2 of the combat trial. You've seen but a fraction of this machine's true capabilities. Testbuster ready to fire. Now show me how fast you can run.
Bring it!
Damn, that thing's powerful.
That was too close.
We need to come up with a plan. It's on you.
Need my help, do you? That thunder out here?
Let me handle it.
You are outnumbered defenses.
Let's do this. Gotta move.
Finally!
Won't last long.
I've got you covered.
Still in it.
Your efforts are futile. Initiation to the integral core if need be.
I hate when they do that.
Let's take care of them first.
Kiss my ass! Suck on this! Bring it home!
All set!
Taking over. Do your thing. Deal with that.
Yeah, I'll do it. Gonna make your eyeballs pop! Give them hell!
I got this!
Not looking good. need a breather.
Enjoying your time with Shinra's new weapon?
Don't give up.
Bring it! Good luck.
I got this. All right.
All right! Watch and learn!
Very good.
Now we still got a job to do!
All those who oppose Shinra.
Good job.
I hope this isn't the end for you three. I was looking forward to a battle against worthy opponents.
I'm counting on you!
Let's go. You're up.
Hang back. You're out of luck. Now we can finally take it down.
Gotta look! Want some more?
Get ready.
Behold the full potential of the Airbuster! Time to carry out your executions!
Damn. All those drones. Time to do your thing, big man.
Watch and learn! Just make sure you got my back, alright?
Right. Take the lead.
Need my help, do you? That thunder I hear? Still? Suck on this! Coming at you hard and fast!
Get in there!
Yep, I hear you loud and clear.
Bring it home!
All set. I've got you covered. Gotta be strong.
Let's do
That's
this.
something.
No
But it's
holding
not
back.
over yet.
Let's do this. No way!
Come on.
Get on my turn!
All good.
Come get some. Got action!
It's coming!
You're up!
Let's go. Ha! Feel the breeze.
On this! Let me show you how it's done!
Yeah. Light 'em up.
It's on you.
I got this.
All right! Watch and learn! It's almost time! You the reactors in Zone 8! That thunder I hear? Still?
Bring it.
You got this!
All set. Let's turn it up.
Free for long enough. Now
Give them hell!
Let me handle this. To the limit and beyond!
By opposing us.
No more games. It's over.
My apologies, but this time required waiting. This footage will prove invaluable in raising morale of our Shinra rank and file.
We almost got this. Come on, guys.
Bring it on.
Let's show what we're made of! All right! Watch and learn! No enemy waiting! Time to fry!
This is right here.
It's on you.
Taking over. Don't overdo it.
Come on.
We don't have long to get clear.
Take Tifa and get out of here.
I was wrong about you.
This ain't the end of the line for you or me.